Hello, sir. Welcome to Rancho Garden Restaurant. How many? One. Right away. Please have a seat. You right street. We be with you in a moment. Hello, sir. Would you like to order now? Yes, please. Would you like to drink? What do you have? We have butter, water, rose, and coke. I will have butter of water, please. What would you like is I will have a ton of fish sandwich, a butter of vegetable soup. Thanks.